Welcome to WINFX Trading YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. This is $1 million WFS Octo BoomCrash Indices Spike Detector Robot Octo Indicator. You can see it gives you alert to trade the spike. We only trade the spike. You can see it works on both boom and crash. You can see these are huge spike signals, huge profit. You can see the profit. This is cash market. You see how it's dictating the spikes. The red arrow shows the spike, and you can see that we made huge profit. This is installed right now. We are giving one-time license. For you to have access for the license to start using this robot, it only costs a token of $150. By the end of this month, February, as we approach new months like March, May, it will increase to $1,000. All you need to do is to join my Telegram channel, DM me at Danny Ezishuku, start buying this indicator. Why it is cheap,